of the substance. You can convert a proton into a neutron and a neutron into a proton. It's not a philosophical thing. There exist nuclear reactions. There are certain things called as the beta decay, and beta decay corresponds to the nuclear radiations. And in beta decay there are two type of decays, beta minus and beta plus. In beta minus decay, neutron gets converted into proton and electron, and an antineutrino is emitted. And in beta plus decay, proton gets converted into neutron and positron, which is the antiparticle of electron. So it's very possible to change the property of a substance, but that change implies change in frequency of the vibrating string corresponding to the protons and neutrons of that particular substance. And as every organism is fundamentally composed of atoms and molecules, which are further composed of electron, protons and neutrons, which are further composed of quarks, which are further composed of strings. So if we can change the frequency of the strings, we can change the proton and neutrons. If we can change protons and neutrons, we can change the atom. If we can change the atom, we can change the molecule. If we can change the molecule, we can change the DNA. If we can change the DNA, we can change the cell. If we can change the cell, we can change the tissue. If we can change the tissue, we can change the organ. If we can change the organ, we can change the organ system. And if we can change the organ system, we can change the entire organism. In ancient Indian mythology, there are descriptions when a person was made a donkey or a deer or a lion by a sage while speaking some mantras. So mantras are nothing but a vibration of frequency of certain sort. And if that frequency can change the string frequency of that person, then that can be changed into a donkey or anything like that, because it's similar to reminiscent of changing the DNA of that particular person, and it's very possible. So certainly there exist things which are beyond every information, which are beyond every process, which are beyond thinking, beyond imagination, beyond everything, and which forms the information itself. So if you want to learn these things in details, you can refer to my books. Just search Life Beyond Information by Acharya Vishvendra on Google, on Amazon, on Flipkart or Notion Press, and you can see things in proper perspectives, where I have listed proper theories of thinking, how we think, psychology, neurology. I have also included Vedas, the Purans, and the latest neural theories. So I shall be talking